A healthy population is a key mark of a prosperous nation and a strong country. We will improve the national health policy and ensure the delivery of comprehensive life cycle health service for our people. Hundreds of millions of chronic wound patients need treated worldwide per year. China alone has reached 100 million chronic injuries a year, and the number of chronic injuries continues to increase every year. Create high-quality medical supplies, relieve the suffering of patients, and use the most valuable clinical solutions to benefit all mankind. This is the lasting original aspiration and mission of Wu's Long-Term Medical. In 1995, Mr. Kangping Wu, Director of Neurosurgery, led the team to develop the first sterile surgical membrane in China successfully, filling the gap in this field in China and becoming the beginning of China's medical industry to catch up with the world. In the same year, Wu's series of medical brands was officially established, moving towards the grand vision of becoming a world-class innovative manufacturer of medical supplies. Top 10 centers, 12 product series, wound care series, IV cannula dressing series, ostomy care series, minimally invasive surgery series, home medical care series, disinfection product series, infection control product series, first aid kit series, medical degradable materials, medical beauty series, basic consumables series, incontinence care series. At the beginning of its development, Wu's Long-Term Medical is the first in the world to put forward the development strategy of production, learning, innovation, clinical. Production, lean production, strict quality control. In 2021, covering an area of 66,700 square meters and a total construction area of 113,000 square meters, the Wu's Long-Term Medical Industrial Park, a medical industry complex integrating garden-style, automation, informatization, and energy saving, was officially put into operation. Over 60,000 square meters of ISO Class 8 clean room, 12 series of automated production lines, professional quality management center. This makes the industrial park become the largest R&D and production base for high-end medical dressings, ostomy supplies, and other medical products in Asia. CE, FDA, ISO, and many other international certifications. Scientific production management mode. Strict quality management system. Let the global beneficiaries praise it. Since 2015, Long-Term Medical has won the McKesson Gold Award for the Best Global Supplier for many consecutive years. Wu's Long-Term Medical takes Zhejiang Long-Term Medical Technology Company Limited as the core, and its subsidiaries include Zhejiang Konglidi Medical Articles Company Limited, Zhejiang Longmed Medical Technology Company Limited, Zhejiang Long Rising Regenerative Material Company Limited, and other R&D and manufacturing factories, focusing on various fields of medical care. Strive for deep plowing. Focus on practice. Learning. Learning is the first. Reading is the foundation. Adhering to the learning concept of establishing one's body and learning first, and learning to read as the foundation. Targeted establishment of medical and health training centers contains a set of sound and efficient industry knowledge training policies. Continuously improve the professional proficiency of each member. Join hands with the world's top resources to establish extensive cooperation and exchanges with the government, the Red Cross, high universities, and hospitals. Stimulate product innovation with academics. Build brand value. Innovation, scientific and technological innovation, intensive research and thinking. Wu's Long-Term Medical has built an industry-leading professional medical research and development team 2,300 square meters R&D testing center. Annual R&D investment of over 5% of sales volume. More than 70 national invention patents and intellectual property rights. Equipped with Provincial Enterprise Research Institute. Clinical Achievement Translation Center. Product Data Analysis Room. Formed an internationally leading R&D technology system. In 2007, Wu's Long-Term Medical became the first company in Asia to successfully develop hydrocolloid dressings. In 2012, Long-Term Medical launched silicone dressing. It is the first in Asia and fourth all over the world. Clinical, from clinic to clinic. Clinically oriented, deep into clinical, service clinical. Propose an overall solution for clinical medicine based on skin health management. Ensure safety, effectiveness, and convenience. Products 3 course. Accelerates wound healing time by more than 50%. 30% reduction in hospital stay. Reduce the financial burden on patients. Significantly improve medical economy. Achieving scar-free healing. Advanced treatment methods such as wireless suture. For more than 80 countries and regions around the world, tens of thousands of hospitals, nearly 20% of in-hospital patients provided efficient products and services. From clinical through scientific research, improved product, final service clinical. This is the fundamental strategy of Wu's Long-Term Medical's production, learning, innovation, and clinical. From clinic to clinic. Where nature meets technology, in the park of culture and exchange, we unite into loyalty and trustworthiness. Brave and innovative entrepreneurial spirit. Jointly adhere to the original intention of serving the medical health of all mankind. Develop from nothing. Red faith never fades. From weak to strong. Persistent footsteps chasing dreams. Diligence is the path to the mountain of knowledge. The strength of the verdant pines will last forever. Wu's Medical is relying on the glory of the motherland. Serve customers with sincerity. Embrace the world. Keep in mind the mission of the great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation. Bless the Chinese sons and daughters. Long-term longevity. The road ahead will be long, and our climb will be steep. Wu's Long-Term Medical.